Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, July 23, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. FläktGroup introduced new water-cooled inverter chillers. The new water-cooled chillers FGWC 2140-2465 AE2 with capacities from 530 to 1780 kilowatts are now available. In line with the F-gas directive, the alternative refrigerant R513A is used to replace the conventional refrigerant R134A and to achieve a reduction in GWP of 56%. Furthermore, the ERP 2021 requirements are easily achieved. We will help our customers make the change and follow the EU's F-gas directive. Refrigerants used in chillers have a property called global warming potential, GWP, which we should move towards reducing in the next years. We achieved great success with our air-cooled chillers, using full inverter screw compressors and alternative refrigerants. These were introduced in September 2019 and have replaced our previous R134A units. Now we are following this direction with new water-cooled chillers. Our new FGWC 2140-2465 AE2 chiller incorporate the refrigerant R513A, GWP 631, an ideal solution for indoor installed units. The refrigerant's GWP is reduced by 56% whilst still being safety class A1, non-flammable, just like our 134A. The unit can easily be implemented indoors without any increase in safety constraints. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Williams appoints new international sales manager in Middle East and Europe. Robert Purvis is joining Williams as the company's international sales manager. Looking after both Williams and sister company Falcon Food Service Equipment, he'll be responsible for export sales, with a remit to focus on the Middle East and Europe. Robert is very well known in the market, both in the UK and overseas, and has considerable experience in food service equipment and international sales. He spent a career spanning 17 years in the food service equipment industry before joining Falcon, where he became export manager. It's a privilege to represent two British manufacturers who have great reputations for quality and innovation in product development, he says. Export markets are ever more important for us as we look to further expand our business. Williams is a premium brand on the international stage, and recognized the world over. Robert will work closely with all Williams international companies and is particularly looking forward to working with our Dubai office. The team there are so well respected, he says. We've had an office in Dubai that has consistently supported the food service industry in the region over a long period of time. It has stayed operating even through the current COVID-19 crisis, maintaining local stock to ensure customers weren't let down. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Epta complies with the Carbon Trust Standard. Management offices of Milan and the production sites Lamana, Casal Monferrato, Solsino and Pomezia Epta obtain compliance with the Carbon Trust Standard, CTS, for the first time. This is an important international certification that attests, on the one hand, the company's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint, expressed in tons of equivalent CO2 and, on the other hand, the definition of a strategic plan for continuous improvement of its performance for the future. This objective of this standard, obtained the world over by more than 1,100 companies, is to help guide industries, over time, to a responsible and optimal management of its greenhouse gas emissions, minimizing its impact on the environment. A process of change made possible by a quantitative assessment process that, year after year, provides each operator with a precise performance framework, compared with that of the best performer in the same sector. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. AHRI opens Dubai office to support the HVACR industry in the region. The Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration Institute, AHRI, has opened an office in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, to further the interests of its members and certification program participants by enhancing relationships with manufacturers and governmental and non-governmental organizations in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, region. Our Dubai office further expands AHRI's global reach and provides us with a unique opportunity to develop and nurture relationships with manufacturers, regulators, and other stakeholders in the region, said AHRI President and CEO Stephen Urich. Headed by François Bouheri, a strategic management expert with extensive experience in HVACR and energy efficiency, this office will be staffed with professionals familiar with important local and regional issues, and who speak the language of this very important region to our industry. I look forward to engaging our stakeholders as we work to ensure the applicability of AHRI technical solutions, standards, and certification to regional needs and regulations, said Mr. Bouheri. Given the respect for AHRI's offerings by engineers, specifiers, building owners, and many others across the globe, this is an opportune time for our industry to come together to deploy time-tested solutions to the region's challenges, he added. A founding partner of Sustainable Environmental Engineering Solutions and a former president and director of Dakin McQuay Middle East, Bouheri will serve as vice president of AHRI's Dubai office. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.